So from the video title, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know basically. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational contents like this. If for any reasons you want to do this, right, what we're going to do right here, you can see there are lots of people currently displaying right here on any server I go to, right? Okay, let me say I want to use this server with more than 9,458 people online. What you need to do basically is very easy. You can see right here, this is the thread, this is for this, and this is for this, then this is it. Just click on this right here. If you click on it, you won't be distracted with, or you won't be shown how many people that are online right here, right? So you can basically focus and glance through everything you need to know basically. So this is what you need to just tap on it. Tap it to on, to off. So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I will see you all in the very next one.